Welcome to Spices and Aromas. I'm Ravina. Today I'm going to share my mom's special recipe, prawn and lady's finger. For this dish, I'm using the Manglorean special variety lady's finger. It's called Asta Patti Bende. It has 8 ridges. This native special lady's finger is pale green and tender, known for its rich flavor and a best match with the prawns. So let's quickly look into the ingredients and let's get started. Here is what I am using for preparing the curry. Few spices, coriander, cumin, pepper, mustard and little bit of tamarind, some chillies, onion, ginger, garlic and green chilli for seasoning the curry, coconut milk, some freshly grated coconut, fresh lady's finger and prawns. So now let's start frying the ingredients. So I will dry fry the ingredients. So first I am adding chillies to the heated tawa. So I have used 7 red chillies and 3 local red chillies. To the same pan, I will add 1.5 tablespoon of coriander. Do not over roast any ingredients so that the curry doesn't turn bitter. Next, I am just adding half teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of cumin. Let all the ingredients fry and in the end add the mustard. So I am just adding 1/4 teaspoon of mustard. This for just 5 seconds and off the flame. Let the ingredients cool down before you grind it. Into the mixer grinder, add the broiled and cooled ingredients. Then add 1 cup of coconut, 1 big onion, 4 to 5 garlic cloves. Also add a small ball of tamarind and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Put all the ingredients together and grind it to a smooth paste. Please do like, follow and subscribe to my channel for all the updates on my upcoming recipes. Once you finish grinding the masala, just add little water and clean the mixie and get some stock out of it and just keep it aside. Just look here how big and tender this Asta Patti Bende is. To check the tenderness, just bend the pointed end and it should break easily. Cut them into big pieces. These are locally grown lady's finger with 8 ridges. I said you call it Asta Patti Bende, which are found in Mangalore, Udpi and Kundapur local markets. In case you do not find this type of lady's finger, you can use the regular variety. You can also use white pumpkin or bottle gourd or potatoes for preparing this type of curry. Today I am using my earthen pot for cooking for a lovely homely flavor. To this I added the stock that I retained after cleaning the grinder. Then the thin coconut milk, prawns, the clip is missing where I added prawns. Then I just added the chopped lady's finger and the ingredients that I have already chopped: onions, ginger, garlic and green chillies. Add some salt to taste and give a good mix. Let the lady's finger absorb all the flavor from the prawns, the seasoning ingredients and the stock. Remember, this lady's finger cooks very fast. Stir carefully so that the pieces do not get mushy. Let's stir up gently and just check if our ingredients are cooked. Yes, I can see the prawns have turned pink and the color of the lady's finger has changed. So it's time to add the flavorful masala which we had kept aside. Just mix in the flavorful masala and adjust the curry to a medium thick consistency. Be gentle while you mix the masala since the lady's fingers are just cooked, the curry might turn mushy. Let the curry bubble gently. Once it's nearly done, finish with thick coconut milk. So before adding the thick coconut milk, simmer the gas flame and cook on slow flame so that the coconut milk doesn't get curdled. Carefully stir in the thick coconut milk and cook for 2 to 3 minutes on low flame. Delicious, tasty and flavorful prawn and lady's finger curry is ready, but let's give it a final touch by adding a tempering with fried onions which I have already kept ready. So just add this to the curry, give a gentle stir and then cover it with a wicker plate. So if you don't have a wicker plate, you can also use a steel plate for covering. I always use wicker plates to cover the dish so that it cools in a perfect way. You can see here the steam escapes through the grooves. So this is the perfect way of cooling any dish. So this doesn't get spoiled, and also we have cooked in a earthen pot. Thank you.